Hi, hello. In this video, we will read that speaking example. So there are millions of videos. So as examiners, a guy who pretends like a as examiner talking with a candidate, but these videos cannot help you much because these videos are uh, not really allow you to see all the script, all the mission. So it seems natural process so that people have so many questions in their minds, like how this person gets 7, how this person gets 6, or something like that. So read if we see everything on the paper, we may increase our understanding on IELTS speaking task 2 sample. So describe an environmental problem that has occurred in your country. You should say the cause of the problem, what effect it has had on your country, the steps, if any, that had been taken to solve this problem, and explain why you think this problem is so important to solve. Okay, this answer is quite long. I have joined IELTS speaking and I had never opportunity to talk that much. So the first paragraph includes the answer for the first question. This is for the second one, third one, and fourth one. So now, if you are familiar with speaking concept, you can pause the video and try to answer these 4 questions in 2 minutes after you think for a minute. Okay, let's read the answers. I'm going to talk about a problem with the environment in my country. One of the most serious problems at the moment is flooding. This is starting to happen every year, and each year it seems to get worse. I think it may be caused by a number of factors. Firstly, there has been a lot of deforestation in the north of the country, a lot of it from illegal logging. Because of this, when it rains, the water has nothing to soak it up, so it just runs down the mountains and into the villages and towns. Another factor may be global warming. Scientists believe that this is causing more severe weather, so this may account for the increasing amount of rain that we seem to be seeing. It also means the soil is more dry, so again the rainwater runs off, it rather being soaked up. So unfortunately there have been really serious effects on my country. So it is the second question. The excess water runs into the villages and the towns through the rivers, and the rivers even then overflow, causing massive flooding. This affects thousands of people who then become homeless. Several hundred usually die each year as well. It travels through the country as it starts in the north and goes down to the sea, so it can affect many towns and the capital city too. So be careful to add that S here. Okay, let's read the other paragraph. The government is trying to tackle the problem, but it is not easy. They're trying to stop so much deforestation, but a lot of the damage has already been done, so what can they do? They're also starting to build defenses such as walls along some of the major rivers that run through the town to try to stop them overflowing. Another thing they are doing is trying to improve their response systems. In most towns, there is now a government organization responsible for coordinating relief operations and making sure they are prepared in advance. I think this problem is a top priority to solve because it has such devastating impacts. So this person probably doesn't believe what he said. Probably he's lying here, but in fact he's using good vocabulary like top priority and answering question. So feel free to lie about what you think. As I mentioned before, it causes suffering for so many people, and it is also a huge expense for the government, and as we are not a rich country, we cannot afford this. It means that other services suffer because of a lack of money. There are other problems that my country has, but I think that is by far the worst. So that is the serious problem in my country, and I only hope that it doesn't continue to get worse. Yeah, I think it is perfect speaking uh, task 2 in terms of its content. So it is a huge content for 2 minutes, and there are quite good vocabulary, range of grammatical structures, and but I'm not sure about band score, and also I think examiners also not sure about that. I don't know. So thanks for watching this video. Have a beautiful day. Good luck with your IELTS exam. Bye.